What's good, YouTube? It's your boy OG and I'm back with another video. It's not a Wednesday, it's Saturday. It's Saturday.
And what we doing, bro?
Intro.
Nigga wanna see me fall. Stephen Curry, how I ball. Gosha garments and a white 3 on my body. I'm an icon.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy CrayOn and I'm back with another video. It's not a Wednesday. It's actually a Saturday today, so I'm gonna post this on Sunday morning. And the competition is over. So I'm actually going to be announcing the winners of the CrayOn stickers. Shout out to everybody that entered the competition. We got 10 people entering. I'm with Ojisa. Ojisa Bakelemena, 36 game fresh to the gas master, PLT Chili Boy, the Rock Reverb.
You know what it is, you know what it is. All day, every day, with my green hair. I don't know if you guys can see it. With my green hair. Matches.
And the Pickle Rick t-shirt.
Goat. I'm a Rick and Morty fan, guys. Check it out.
Oji. Oji. Hey, no. So the Gleam randomly selects winners for me. I just click a button and it picks random people off of the list of the 10 people that entered the competition. And I'll throw in a screen recording of that right here. Okay, now let's get to it. Here it is. You guys can't see it, but here it is. Let's start it from position 3.
Yeah.
Position 3, entry number 10.
Oh my god.
Ke no abo 10 go enter competition. Go molemo metsi mintsi. You win CrayOn stickers. Stickers is. I will email everybody. You better check your email so that we can get in touch and I'll tell you guys how we can meet up and you guys can come get your stickers. In position 2, entry number 46, as in the last person to enter the competition, Tato Halebole. I think, yeah. Forgive me if I'm butchering names. It's bad news. It's bad news. Hey, boy. And then position 1, entry number 18, Tato Ngidi. My boy Ngidi Boy dope. I'm always playing his songs in the background of my videos.
Why the hell you lie?
I am, dog. When I'm always playing.
Oh my god. Stop fucking lying.
Shut the fuck up. Hey, Tato Ngidi, you're number 1. I'll hit all of you guys up on email, telling you guys how you guys can come collect your stickers. Hey, so shout out to everybody that likes my videos. Shout out to everybody in my comment section. I always say it. We have the best comment section. Hands down. OG, any words for my people?
No.
Ooh, with my fam, CrayOn BW, signing out.
Before your love, I had a quite clear vision, but it's your love over everything. Time for you over anything.